Today I'm going to show you how to edit your Fiverr profile description. Now I found this slightly difficult because if you go into your About section, you'll see over here that you've got a limit of 600 characters. Now 600 characters is not very big, but it is something to work with. So what you should do here is literally just click on it and you'll start the editing process. You'll be able to actually edit in over here. So whatever you type in here, that will be your About section. So here you can pretty much display who you are and what you're about. And the first 2 sentences is very important. So I've got a nice little heading here. It says, why should you work with me? Okay, so this puts me in a position where I feel like I have the power when a client wants to work with me. And then I go on to explain quickly and straight to the point who and what I am. I'm a creative and self-motivated content creator ready for the next challenge. Please reach out to me today for a quick introductory call or chat to discuss your project details and see how I can add value. And then it goes on, there's a little bit more you can add in there, but right now that is pretty much who I am and what I am about. And when people open up my profile, this is what they'll see. Quick and straight to the point.